There is no better feeling than closing a 10K a month retainer, but a lot of you might not have experienced exactly what that feels like. So let me show you what a 10K a month AI deal actually looks like. And you're going to be surprised because it's a lot simpler than you think. All right, so let's break down exactly what a 10K automation looks like. And there you have it. This is a lie. This is not what a 10K a month automation looks like. This is just some shitty end-to-end workflow that people pretend is valuable because of how complex it looks. But this is the biggest lie that I see in the AI space. People are peddling you this lie that complexity equals value, and you can charge based on how many nodes you have and how complicated it looks. This is not the case at all. I don't want you to believe those lies from other creators, and I'm sure you've tried it yourself. You've built all these complicated tools, but you realize it doesn't actually solve any problem for a business. It looks good, but when it's time to open their wallet, they don't actually pay for this stuff. What do they actually pay for? They pay for more leads, for more revenue, for more profit. If your automation can get them that, then that's how you're going to make more money. And to break it down in the simplest terms possible, a business is going to pay you $10,000 a month if you can generate them $100,000 a month in additional revenue or more. That's as simple as it is. They give you some money and you give them back more than they gave you. AI just being the mechanism that allowed you to make them money. That is what they are buying, not this crap that you see over here. So, let's go into an actual 10K a month deal. So this is one that we did for a regional home service franchise. And if you don't know what that is, when you see all of those vans and those trucks of, roofers, plumbers, HVAC, like all of those under one unit, then that is a home services franchise. So they've basically got a bunch of stuff happening underneath them. And because of that, they've got a abundance of leads coming in from all sorts of places, right? So you can imagine what a headache logistically that looks like. So I'll walk you through that deal start to finish. So I sat down with them during this audit and I said, look, let's break down your entire business. Tell me all of the numbers and let's figure out how we can help you make more money. So we sat down, we found out that they're getting 1,000 leads a month. Cool. How are they getting those leads? They said from Google Ads, local SEO, emergency calls and forms. Average ticket size per project, we're looking at $5,000. They've got a sales team of 6 reps and the office hours are 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, cool. What does that actually mean? So let's break that down even further. So we dug a bit deeper. We found out that 30 to 40% of leads come after hours. Okay, that's really good to know. The response time ranges from 5 minutes all the way up to 2 hours. 2 hours, that doesn't really make sense if we're dealing with emergency calls and emergency forms, right? Missed calls go to voicemail. That's horrible. And then the follow up is inconsistent. We logged into the CRM. We saw some leads were never even contacted. They're falling through the cracks. It was actually inconsistent, which is a big problem. So now these are great from like a list of issues point of view. But what does this mean in terms of numbers? Because we can only improve numbers at the end of the day. So now let's look at their funnel metrics. So the before. Contact rate 65%, meaning that out of those 1,000 leads a month that come in, only 65% actually get contacted. Many of them are missed, many are never reached, they just fall through the cracks. Out of that, 50% of those contacted leads are qualified, meaning that they have the budget, they have a problem, they're interested in buying, they're not time wasting, they're not shopping around, they're actually qualified. How many of those closed? 30% closed on qualified, overall close rate 15% based on that. Let's do the math here together. So the math is that 1,000 leads, 650 contacted, 325 qualified, 150 sales. Average ticket size, of course, this is approximated. It can go above or below. Honestly, probably higher. $5,000 for home services is typically pretty low, but we're looking at around $750,000 a month in terms of revenue, which is fantastic. That's a healthy business, right? But there's still a lot of these problems here that we just saw. So of course, if you've watched my channel at all, or if you've seen anything that I talk about, then your eyes should be lighting up at all of the opportunity that we have here for problems that we can solve. We can easily skyrocket this 750K, right? So this is the solution that we propose. The problems have been exposed. We've seen what they are in terms of dollar value. Now let's actually implement a solution. So number one, AI sales qualification system, voice plus SMS. What this means, instant response. As soon as a lead comes into their ecosystem, every lead is called within 60 seconds. This is 24/7 coverage, no more missing calls after hour, and no voicemail leakage. Every single lead is going to be contacted and spoken to. Number two is structured qualification. We don't want inconsistent follow-up. The AI every single time is going to ask the same formula. What type of service are they looking for? What problem do they have? How urgent is it? Do they need somebody right now, or is this something that they're shopping around for? Are they a homeowner versus a renter? What does that timeline look like? Budget expectations. If it's an unqualified lead, if it doesn't meet any of these criteria set by my client, they're set to unqualified. And we can either say, hey, go check out our website, and then we put them into a nurture campaign so they buy in the future, or we just route them to maintenance offers, or like I said, nurture them for later replacement down the line. So number three is smart routing. So over here, we're doing all this qualification. We're getting and extracting all this information about these leads. We know how badly they need our service. So for the high intent ones, the ones that are super motivated, ready to go, they've got a big problem, we can book them directly to the top closers or do a live transfer during office hours to an actual human to go close the deal, to finish it off, to actually close them right there. If it's medium intent, then we can schedule a follow-up so the salesperson can get to them, first thing tomorrow morning, or they can schedule a consultation, whatever that looks like. If it's low intent, we can downsell them to a basic offer that we have. We can refer them to an affiliate partner, or we can just put them into a nurture sequence so they're reminded of us and they might come in and buy in the future. Doesn't matter as long as they're getting some sort of touch point. Sales reps are now only going to be speaking to ready buyers. They're not calling everybody and having to weed out the tire kickers by themselves. They now only speak to these high intent leads or medium intent that are ready to go. So the close rate goes through the roof, and the sales reps are far happier because their time is now hyper focused and they're not wasting time chasing these manual leads themselves. And it's a win-win for everybody in terms of efficiency. So after implementing a system like this, I want you to take a moment and guess what the results would be. Like, of course, they're going to be phenomenal, right? Like, we just solved all of those problems that you just saw perfectly with this AI system. So now let's jump into the numbers. Funnel metrics afterwards. Contact rate jumped up to 90%. And this obviously makes sense. We're now contacting leads within seconds, under a minute from when they expressed interest, when they opted in. This is especially great for those emergency ones who need help right now. Of course, they're going to pick up. They just submitted an ad form. They just submitted the form. They just expressed interest. They're ready to go right now. AI calls them. 90% contact rate. Qualification rate jumps up from 50 to 60% as a result of the contact rate going up, because now those emergency leads are the ones who are the most qualified because they need us ASAP. We're finally getting through to them, and that basically shows in the qualified rate. Close rate on qualified leads jumps up from 30 to 35%. We're closing more, we're getting higher quality leads, salespeople are more efficient, and we're addressing people far quicker. And then overall close rate jumps from 15% to 18 to 19%. Basically, that's what is fluctuating around. Now, what does that mean in terms of overall impact in this business? Scroll down. Here's the math that we have. So 1,000 leads. Now we have 900 getting contacted, 540 qualified leads, 185 sales. Multiply that by 5,000 average ticket size. That business is now generating $925,000 a month. Compare that to what they were doing before, which was 150 sales. The net impact of this solution: an additional 35 sales every single month, an additional $175,000 in revenue, or $2.1 million a year. No increase in ad spend, no increase in headcount. Now you can see $175,000 a month. Do you think that business has any problem paying $10,000 a month in exchange to get almost $200,000 a month back? The ROI on that is absolutely insane. And we only needed 20 sales to hit that 100K goal that we wanted to get for them. So even if the system didn't convert this well and converted worse, so maybe if this was only 170 sales instead of 185, they would still be generating 100K in additional revenue. They would more than happily keep paying us $10,000. And that is how powerful a system like this is if you solve expensive problems. The issue with a lot of you is that you're still thinking small. You're solving small problems. This is the exact same system that I would sell to a small business doing less than $500,000 a month, but the impact would be wildly different. I might be generating them maybe an additional $20,000, maybe an additional $10,000 a month, and then I can only charge them $1,000. But the system would be the exact same, the same amount of effort for me to create this entire system for them, but the average ticket size and the volume that we're dealing with is what determines how much of an impact this business can make. So I hope that gave you some perspective, because the amount of work and our inputs does not dictate how much we're able to charge. What dictates it is the actual impact that you make, and that's only shown by going through the numbers like this, keeping the before and after top of mind, and building something so integral that solves such an integral problem in a business that they have no choice but to work with you and stay working with you forever. Can you imagine if this business decided to cancel this service? Can you imagine them going into a boardroom and making the decision to cut something that generates them $175,000 a month and having to go back and deal with all of these problems that they had before that system? There's absolutely no way, and that's how you should be treating your systems as well. So I hope that this opened your mind and you can start thinking bigger. Now, if you liked everything that you heard and you do want to learn more about AI businesses run this way and working with with higher ticket businesses, then you can apply to work with me one-on-one. I'll show you exactly what the inner workings of my agency are. I do work very closely with a select number of people every month. We'll show you the inner workings of our agency, how exactly we're able to get clients like this, as well as the systems that go along with it. Now, I am the best in the business, so please do not expect any freebies or handouts. I only want to work with serious people who actually understood everything that I just showed you inside of this video and something clicked inside of your head. So I'm super excited to meet you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below.